Have you heard about Excel's new superhero function? It is XLOOKUP function. In today's video, we will learn about how to use XLOOKUP function to return a value based on multiple lookup criteria. Hello and welcome. I am Gunjan Mathur and I bring up more such office productivity videos on this channel. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, hit that bell icon and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's begin with today's topic. If you are new to XLOOKUP function and you do not know how to use XLOOKUP function and how does it work, then I have created a dedicated video on how to use XLOOKUP function in Office 365. You will find this video in the I button or in the description box linked there. For today's video, I have few examples with you. So without further ado, let's begin with today's topic and move to our computer screen.
So we are now on our computer screen, and for the first example we have a data set here wherein we have region, the quarter and their quarterly sales figure. Now we have a lookup criteria here wherein we can look up with the combination of region and quarter and get the sales figure back as a return value. So let us select a region from here. Let me select North region. Let me select quarter as quarter Q4. Now let us find out the sales figure for that particular combination. So here for the North quarter Q4 we have this particular value 49018. This should be the return value we should get from our XLOOKUP formula. So let us try that out. Let us start writing XLOOKUP formula. Okay, the lookup value would be a combination of these two values. We have the value in G5 and G6. So we will use a kind of concatenation operation to combine these values. So let me select this particular value G5. Then let me put ampersand and select G6 value. So it is kind of concatenating these two values and it is looking up this value back in the, so for the G5 which is region, we will be looking up value in the region column. So let me select this particular column. I'll again put ampersand there and we'll select the next lookup array which is quarter. So now we are doing, we are concatenating the lookup values and concatenating lookup arrays. So Excel will look up for the combination of these two values into the combination of these two values lookup array, right? And what we need to return basically is the sales figure. So let me select this, close the bracket and hit enter, and we get the sales value there. So this is the way where you can use multiple lookup criteria. We have two criteria, region and quarter, and we got the return value. Even if you have more than two lookup criteria, this XLOOKUP trick is still going to work. Here we have three different lookup criteria. Let us try this with XLOOKUP. So here I put XLOOKUP. I select this value, ampersand, this value, ampersand, this value, and I look up into region, ampersand year, ampersand quarter, and I want sales as my return value. Here I get the value. If I change this to say 2022, I get this value. If I change this to Q1, I get this particular value, which is, say for example, North 2022 Q1, we have this value, right, which is matching. It was all so easy till this particular point, but here comes the challenging part. When your data is structured in a two-way structure where your one lookup criteria is listed as row headers, another lookup criteria is listed as column headers, and you have values with the combination of this listed in a tabular way, then your normal trick is not going to work. Here you need to use nested XLOOKUP formula. Before we write the actual formula, let us understand the concept. Here we need the value based on north region and quarter Q4. What if we first filter the values based on quarter Q4 and then from that particular list we fetch the value for the north region. So here what I'm going to do is let me first filter the value based on quarter Q4. So here it's my lookup value, this is my lookup array, and this whole sales figures are my return value. So here I get a spill range of all the Q4 quarter values. What I'm going to do is add this XLOOKUP formula into a nested XLOOKUP. So for example, I again put XLOOKUP, I select north as my lookup value, this range as my lookup array, and this would be my return array. So what happens now is I get the particular value here. So if I change the quarter to Q2, say for example, I get this particular value 40142. So in this way you can put nested XLOOKUP in case your data is structured as two-way table or two-way structure.
That's it for today's video. I hope you found this video very informative. Please share this knowledge with your friends and colleagues. I have created a dedicated Excel productivity playlist on this channel. Do check this out. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.